Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap. I had XPEV on my main watch list this morning. I had a really hard time this morning finding something to trade. This was actually my very first trade. Well, I was watching it first thing in the morning and I was really hoping to get this breakout, but it happened so quickly that I didn't get a good fill, so I canceled my order and it just shot up so fast. So I watched it for a while and it was very strong from the open, and it came back down and tested the VWAP, which this line right here, this 5120, is all-time high. So it came up and came back down, and when it came back up above the all-time high in the VWAP and it was using it as support, when it made a new 15-minute high, 5-minute high, I went long, and I was not patient with my partials. I got a couple partials, got stopped out, and then I left a ton of money on the table. This was my regret trade of the day. But then I was able to catch a great reversal on AMD. As you can see on the 1 minute, it put up a really nice head and shoulders, and this was right at yesterday's high. So when it pushed up above with the head right here, it also pushed up above the previous day high on the 5 minute, and this nice doji candle right here gave me another great confirmation that it might be reversing soon, in addition to this shooting star candle on the 15 minute. And then you have this right shoulder right here that pushed up, and then once it started losing the previous day high and these moving averages, as you can see, the 9 and the 9 and the 20 started curling down and crossed over, and here's my 50 coming up. When it lost this level, which was also a 5-minute low and a 15-minute low, I went short with a stop loss above the yesterday's high, and I took partials at either moving averages, VWAP, and then this level I have marked from the daily, I went all out with. And then this was my failed reversal. I tried a reversal on INO. I saw that I thought it was putting in a bottom here. There were wicks to the bottom side. Here was a hammer candle. I saw that the 15-minute candle closed as a hammer, and I thought it was making a new high, and I thought it was a double bottom, a triple bottom, really. And when it started making new highs, and I thought that this 9 and 20 were crossing and going to curl up, I went long and was stopped out at the previous 5-minute candle low. I also observed that these MACD lines were crossing, and it was well below the oversold line, so I thought it was a nice setup. However, looking back on it, the volume wasn't quite there for a nice reversal, but I kept my stop pretty close and was stopped out. So those were my trades for the day. I hope you all had a great Friday and you have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.